Welcome to our channel. Netgear Orbi 870 Wi-Fi 7 Mesh Router Setup. Unbox everything. Pull everything out of the box. The main router, the satellites, power adapters, and the Ethernet cable. Don't start plugging things. First make sure nothing is missing. Place the router first. Find a good spot for the main Orbi router. It needs to place near the modem, not shoved behind the TV or stuffed in a corner. Connect to the modem. Take the Ethernet cable from the Orbi box. Plug one end into the modem and the other into the yellow Internet port on the back of the Orbi router. Once that's in, power up both devices. Wait for the lights. Give it a minute. The Orbi's LED ring will flash and then stable. When it goes solid blue, it's ready for setup. If it's still pulsing or red, it's still booting or not linked yet. Download the Orbi app. Grab a phone and download the Netgear Orbi app from the App Store or Google Play. It's the easiest way to get this done. Once installed, open it and let it guide through setup. Create or log into Netgear account. The app will ask for a Netgear account. If there's already one, log in. If not, sign up. It's mainly for managing the router, checking speeds, and running firmware updates later. Follow the app prompts. The app will ask to scan the QR code on the router or manually enter details. Follow those prompts. It'll automatically find the router, check the connection, and start the configuration. Add the satellites. After the router setup, plug in the satellites in mid-distance between the router and dead zones. Wait until their light turns solid blue or white. The app should detect them automatically in sync. Set the Wi-Fi name and password. When prompted, set up a network name and password. The Orbi 870 merges 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands automatically, so no need to create separate names for each one. Update and test. After Netgear Orbi 870 Wi-Fi 7 mesh router setup, the app might say there's a firmware update. Always update it. These updates fix bugs and improve speeds. Thank you for watching.